Who doesn't love running water, even if it's artificially placed? There's something about running water that connects to the spirit and just pulls us in. I don't know what it is. And then like the lushness, the greenery around this area is very alluring as well. So a little sensory moment, enjoying sound. Sometimes that's the thing that calls to us. We can't sketch a sound, but we can feel it, experience it, absorb it, process it, and perhaps write about it or express it in gestural lines. How would you express running water in gestural lines?